In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable DirectX 12 Ultimate in Windows 11. So the first thing you want to do is make sure to check whether your computer and your graphics card can support DirectX 12 Ultimate. And the way we're going to do this is by going down here inside Windows and clicking on Search and then typing in Run. So just open this Run box over here and type in DXDIAG. So DXDIAG. And then you want to press OK, and it will open up in a few seconds some of your computer specifications. As you can see, this is the DirectX diagnostic tool. So what you want to do over here, of course, first you have to check your DirectX version. So if you have DirectX 12, that's already a good sign. And then what you have to do is go to display. So I have two displays. If you only have one, it will say display, but if you have multiple, they will be named display 1, 2, 3, and so on and so forth. So go to your primary display, so the one that your laptop is using, which is usually display 1, or that your computer is using, of course. And then you want to look for where it says DirectX 12 Ultimate. So if you don't see it over here where it says DirectX features, if you don't see the Ultimate feature at all, it means you don't have it. However, if you have DirectX 12 Ultimate and then it says enabled, it means it's already enabled on your computer. If it says disabled, like it is for me, it means that it's possible to enable it, however, not in all cases. And I'm going to show you how to do it in case it says disabled, just like it does for me. So the first thing you have to know is that in order for you to be able to have DirectX 12 Ultimate, you need recent hardware. And by that, I mean you need NVIDIA GeForce RTX 30 series and GeForce RTX 20 series, because only those support DirectX 12 Ultimate. Also, if you're using AMD's Radeon RX 6800 and RX 6900 XT graphics card also support the new version as well. So if you have any of those graphics cards, good news is your computer can support DirectX 12 Ultimate, but if you don't have those cards, then it's basically pointless to look online and anywhere else, because even though some people say that you can download it, if you don't have those graphics cards, you will be unable to get DirectX 12 Ultimate enabled on your computer. So it's not worth trying if you do not have one of those graphics cards. But if you do, what you can first try doing is updating your BIOS. And the way you can do that is by simply going to Google and then type in just the name of your manufacturer and then BIOS update. So for me, it's Lenovo. You want to type in Lenovo BIOS update, or Dell, Asus, whatever you may have, or Acer, whatever. And then you want to go to their website, put in the name of your computer and then essentially your product, so your device, and then it will tell you how to update your BIOS. After you've done that, you can check if your DirectX Ultimate has been enabled. If it hasn't been enabled yet, you can try updating Windows as well, because sometimes it may be the issue of a paused Windows update. So just type in over here, check for updates, and then once you click on it, as you can see, it says you're up to date. Even though you are, click check for updates, and if there's any updates, make sure to apply those as well. So if it doesn't find any updates and you are on the latest version, what you can also try doing is go to Google and just type in Direct 12 Ultimate. Okay, so DirectX 12 Ultimate. So right now, as you can see, I did it over here. What you can do is type in DX12 Ultimate or DirectX 12 Ultimate, it doesn't really matter, and then go over here where it says DirectX 12 Ultimate API, and then click over here, and you can read all about it over here, what it does, how to get it, if you can get it with your graphics cards, and then down here you can even order graphics cards that have this Ultimate Edition of DirectX 12, and that's essentially it. So that's about as much as you can do. So there's no download for this. If you don't have the right graphics card, your computer simply will not support it. You can try going over here to drivers and see if your drivers are up to date as well, and then you can see that inside the NVIDIA app, and that's pretty much it. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.